Good morning, Standard 7. I am going to start today chapter 6, topic allergy. Dear student, you are familiar to the term allergy. Let us know about what do you mean by the allergy or how we can define allergy. Allergy can be defined as the abnormal response of immune system to certain antigen. Certain antigen present in environment is known as allergy. So dear student, let us know about the allergy. The abnormal response of immune system. Dear student, immune system. What do you mean by the immune system? Immune system is that system of the body which used to act as defense system, means protect our body. Whenever any type of the foreign particles, foreign material or any type of the antigens enter to our body through our mouth, nose or eyes, it used to kill it. Who? Immune system, or neutralize the particular substance. So immune system act as defense system of our body which protect and keep our body free from any type of the foreign particles or foreign material. So the abnormal response of immune system to a certain antigen. What do you mean by the antigen? Foreign particles, foreign substances, foreign material which used to enter to our body and cause problem. Known as antigen present in the environment. Present in the environment known as allergy. So dear student, you can understand allergy in this way. Whenever unusual, unwanted type of the material enter to our body and immune system is unable to defeat it, unable to kill it, unable to neutralize it, then it's so symptom over our body. Which type of the symptom? Rashes on our body, red patches on our skin, itching, vomiting, stomach pain, diarrhea and many severe type of the problem in our body. And this is known as allergy, dear student. So now you came to know about the allergy. Let us know the substances which used to cause allergy are known as allergen. What do you mean by the allergen? Those substances which cause allergy dust, smoke, fumes, animal dander, etc. So dear student, those substances which used to cause allergy known as allergen. For example, you see here pollen, spores, dust, smoke, fumes and animal dander. What do you mean by the animal dander? Part of animals. It can be a small part of the skins, hair or any certain part can be termed as animal dander, dear student. Let us know about the symptom, the type of the symptom which used to occur on our body. Let us know about it. Symptoms like sneezing, itching, rashes, watery eyes, etc. So dear student, the symptom of allergy like sneezing, coughing, itching, rashes, watery eyes, vomiting, dehydration and certain many more symptoms are being shown or it is being seen in our body due to allergy, dear student. Let us know how this allergy occurs. Dear student, allergy can be inherited or it used to occur in any time of life of an individual, or it can also, as the time used to pass, it used to disappear also, dear student. So today I explain you about the allergy. So dear student, please you read the topic of the allergy. In the next video I will explain you about type of the allergens. So thank you dear students.